we have our front door right here. We'll kind of zoom out and we'll turn to our right where we have a nice bright bathroom. Throughout, we do have this like laminate looking floor. It is very bright and the ceilings are actually pretty tall. I don't know if you can tell from the video. We have a mirror that has a light all around it. And then if we zoom in, we can see Cleanse Well is what we have for the soap. Also, we have for the lotion. Very nice mirror. And then we have the hair dryer down there as well as a mat. We do just have a shower. We have those bathe well, suds well, rinse well right there. And then here we go. There is our shower head. We're gonna come back out and then we just have a lot on this wall right here. We do have a spot for our bags. We have an iron. The ironing board is right there. We have a good sized refrigerator right here. Very big for a hotel, very big. But it's one of those like extended stay type brands. We have something that make ice in there. We keep on looking on this portion. We have induction eye right there. We have one of these microwaves with a lot of different features. We have a rack there, so I think there's a convection roast, convection bake right in here. We're gonna zoom back out so you can see everything. We have a dishwasher, a little sink, coffee machine, tea kettle. We have plates and bowls up there. And then let's look inside the drawers. We have stuff right there. We have stuff in there. We'll see if anything is stowed in here. And under the sink, we kind of have a recycle spot. And then we have a little bit of that. So I'll zoom back out, a lot of in and out. So we'll turn and we have this couch, this table, a little, what do you call that, ottoman. We have a mirror right there. Let's see if this is a sleeper couch. It is a sleeper couch. We can check to see if there's any linen in one of these. Not there, but if not in here, we just request it from the front desk. This is a twin bedroom, high ceilings. We're actually on the first floor, pretty high ceilings. Queen size beds. And here is our TV. It looks like this is the first brand, or maybe this TV is a smart TV. Usually in Hyatt, they're not a smart TV. You can do like a Chromecast or whatnot, but there's usually not a way to do Netflix from the TV. I just pressed the Netflix button. Let's see what happens. Okay, now we can do Netflix from here. So that I haven't really seen that at different Hyatt brands. At the new studio, we have it. We'll look in between the bed, have a little bit of carpet. That's the only carpet spot we have. The rest of the floor looks like this. And here is the air condition. A little light right there. This is the room, folks. Simple design. It's new, it's clean. Not many people have been here. And this is the Hyatt Studio. Happy to check out a new brand by Hyatt.